Is this porch support okay? I can't tell if that porch support is okay. Is that? It looks okay, don't you think, honey? Maybe a little glue, we can put that right back together. No problem.
We'll just put a rock under it.
How about a rock? That's a good idea.
Here, there's one right there. Just do it now.
This house is gonna be a disaster. All right, let's check it out. Let's go. This is our first look at the inside of the house. Holy shit. I'm Glenn.
And I'm Amber, and we're entrepreneurs, real estate investors, and parents in upstate New York.
We've been flipping houses for over a decade. It totally changed our lives and put us on the path of building the life that we choose.
So come along with us as we share a peek into our life and our business.
Oh, God.
Oh, this looks worse than the last time I was here.
This does not look any better, does it?
No wonder the neighbors hate us.
This looks like shit. Oh, we gotta figure this one out. Let's get out. Let's check this one out. Sometimes you win, sometimes you make big hiccups, huh?
Yeah, you can say that again.
Oh man, guys, on this house, here's the situation in this house. Here's the situation in this house. We bought the house. We were ready to do renovations. We had about an $80,000 profit built into this house. It's a great neighborhood near us and whatever. A neighbor across the street decided on day one of renovations that he would call the code enforcement. We found out later he's one of those guys that calls code enforcement every single day. He's since moved. The neighbors are all glad that he moved. In the meantime, he screwed us pretty good. So he called code enforcement. They came over. We didn't think we had to have a permit to just clean the house out and do demo, but apparently you did. And because he called them, they had to call New York State. And because New York State was involved, they shut the job down. They found asbestos, and we had to hire a asbestos abatement company for $30,000 to come out and abate the house. We've not seen it since. It's been gutted since. It's been several months of a complete hiccup, and we've now got to figure out how the hell to get out of this house and not lose our asses on it, to be honest with you. So we had an $80,000 profit. We're already $30,000 with our holding costs. We're going to add another $40,000. So Amber's going to have to do her magic here. We've got to figure out how to renovate this thing and come in under budget. Oh boy.
Not my favorite thing to do because I like to spend money,
No,
but I also like to make money. So we gotta really put our thinking caps on here.
We had about an $80,000 to $90,000 budget on this house, and she is not looking pretty. But let's go check it out because I've not seen the inside since this. So let's go check it out. All right, so I tell you, I have no idea what we're gonna do.
Well, thankfully, I'm the designer and I do, and I know how to do it on a budget.
That's why I got you.
You know. Okay. Yes, I do like having a bigger budget to work with, but in some extreme cases like this, we really have to take it on a shoestring basis and work with what we have. And the cool thing that I like to do, though, is, you know, if you find something that you really like a lot, or you find a picture in a magazine that you like a lot, you can spend as much as you want to on a house to fix it up. But when you're flipping a house, you have to make sure that you're getting that back. So you can take a really awesome design, really upscale, high-end design, and do it on a shoestring budget by just picking similar materials that don't cost nearly as much. So that's my thought here, is to really make this house very glamorous, but also do it on a really, really small budget to really make it pop when people walk in. So the good news for me is I have a blank canvas to work with.
You do.
So I can do whatever I want. I mean, we don't even have pipes or anything. So I can move around whatever I want.
So you know, all new plumbing too.
Yeah, this house needs everything. This house needs plumbing, electrical. You know, we have some framing. We'll decide whether we're going to keep that or not. The hardwood floors are shot. You know, there's half of them are missing. I guess the ones in that room we could save.
Hey, look, we have a tub. Maybe we just reuse this. What do you think?
No, not going to happen.
It's good. Cast iron tub.
So the other thing I'm thinking in here is this is a raised ranch, and right now the basement isn't being used for anything. And I think that we can make one of the windows an egress window down there, and we can add all of that space as square footage to the house. Okay. So that's automatically going to bump up our sales price.
Okay.
Because we can add a bathroom, and we can add 2 bedrooms down there.
Okay.
So more square footage and more bedrooms are going to make our asking price go up. So I think that can really solve a lot of our problems right there.
We keep the budget tight, but but increase our asking price, okay?
Yep. I might even combine 2 of the rooms up here into a larger master with an ensuite. Because these are all really small rooms.
What are we going to be when we're done? How many bedrooms?
3 to 4 bedrooms.
So here's the question. What room am I in? I don't even know where I am.
So this is the living room.
Okay.
This is the living room that you walk in. When we bought it, this area was the kitchen.
Okay.
I don't like this area as the kitchen. Number 1, because there's a back door, and you know how I love to put the bar in and have bar stools that overhang, but there's a hallway right here. So with this layout, you can't do that. The hallway gets in the way.
Okay.
So I'm actually gonna bump the kitchen over to the what was the dining room area. I'm gonna flip-flop those because it doesn't matter if there's a door by the dining room.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have the kitchen right here. We're gonna make the window a little smaller there.
Is the power on here? Ah! Just kidding. All right, so.
I've only fallen for that joke a couple times.
Someday it's going to be true. You just should let me hang there.
So again, by really maximizing the under roof square footage that we have and creating that extra square footage downstairs, I think that'll save us.
Okay, so tell me something. This is the kitchen here?
Yep, kitchen and living room, dining room. Walk down the hallway. There's a little closet here. There's another linen closet there. There's a full bathroom right there. There's a bedroom here. There's a bedroom here. And there used to be a wall right here. So there's another bedroom here. So there's 3 bedrooms in this area. Yep. I think what I'm gonna do is combine these 2 into one big bedroom and put a bathroom right here. Make this an ensuite. So this will all be the master bedroom with its own bathroom. Okay. There'll be another bedroom over there. Okay. There'll be 2 bedrooms downstairs. So we'll have.
Rip this floor up, put all new floor down?
Yeah, in here we'll have to.
Hardwood or laminates?
In there we can keep it. Probably, probably like the bamboo.
The bamboo? Okay.
Yeah, I'm really liking the bamboo lately. Right. And I can get that at a really good price too. Okay. That's a great price point. So it'll be a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. And the comps were based on a 3-1.
Okay, let's go downstairs, look at that real quick. So you said upstairs you want to make this a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. I'm thinking about that. That's a lot.
Well,
that's a lot of bathrooms.
The other thing that we could do is create the master suite down here, make this one big bedroom, and just keep one bathroom up there for those 3 bedrooms. So it could be a 4-bedroom, 2-bath.
Let's discuss that though. If you put a bedroom in a basement where there's no basement underneath, we have to start blasting out rock to get plumbing in.
No, Neil said we could do a pump. I already talked to our project manager about that. Okay. He said it would not be a problem to put a bathroom down here at all.
And what do we have to make an egress window? What do
so
we have to do?
The size is fine, but so egress window we have to have so that if there was a fire that somebody could get out of it. So we have to knock out 1 row of blocks so that this is only so many inches above the ground level. 1 row of blocks and put a bigger window in, and we should be fine for egress down here. There's a lot of room down here. So after looking closer at it, maybe that is the better idea to create the master suite down here so it's private. And then just have 3 bedrooms up there with 1 bathroom for them to share.
So a 4-bedroom, 2-bath.
4-2.
That's going to be cheaper for us. That's a better way to spend our money because the 3rd bathroom will always get you that much extra money.
Correct.
It's nice, but I don't think it ever gets you that much extra money. A 2nd bathroom is required to have in this neighborhood. So a 4-2 is going to put our comps a little higher up, so that should increase the sale price to make up for the massive screw up we had.
And adding square footage always helps.
Totally. Totally, yeah. So now,
and it's not like we have to put on an addition. This is already under roof square footage.
So normally when you have a house though that has a basement like this, you can't count as square footage unless you have egress. So when you put that opening, when you make that window bigger, so it's by code an egress window.
Right.
Then we can add this as official square footage. It means they can get out during a fire. So. Okay, the hot water here looks new. We have that going for us. And the furnace looks like it's not horrible, so who knows? Maybe that'll work.
And actually, the existing bathroom is right here. So I'm wondering, maybe we put a door here to get in to access all of that. And maybe we create the bathroom in this area and make that whole thing the master bedroom over there. Yep. And really maximize the use of space in here, yeah.
So I have another question while we're here. What the hell is this? We're on a well? This looks like a well pump to me. Normally we have city water here. I would think we have city water. Why do we not have city water? I see gas coming in. This is like a water, that's a water main right there. Right? Yeah, that's a water main coming in. There's not a meter on it yet. That's a water main. So I got a little freaked out when I saw this and we had to have a well, because a well is a whole new level
inspections and problems and yeah.
Problems. So, okay, so all right, let's go back upstairs and talk about some numbers.
So I'm gonna have to come back here with Neil, my project manager, and really discuss a layout and what's gonna be the most cost effective and functional.